and welcome back. Today I have another great unboxing for you all, and this one is from the guys from allfromonesupplier.com. So we're gonna jump straight into this box, which is called the Sweet Sugar Dumpling Box, and they have two specials going on right now. I posted it on my Instagram stories, so be sure to check that out. And if you want to know more about it, I'll also put it on my community, so head over to my community where you'll see the poster for their specials. So many of you are home, the kids are home, my son is home, and you're quarantining and you're missing all of these delicious goodies. And what they're doing is they're sending all of these items directly to your home. So let's start with the first item. Here we have fudge, and I get three big, nice, big pieces of fudge. So I'm gonna move along really quickly because I don't want the video to be too long. But I do want to show you guys what it looks like. So three huge pieces of fudge, and I can smell it through the bag. Wow, it smells so good. So the next item we have is kurma. Let's just get the scissors to open it. And in the kurma box, you get 3 bags of kurma like this, so that I guess the reason that they separated it in 3 bags is so that when you eat one and it's finished, you know, you don't have to contaminate another bag in case you want to share. But I can smell these things through the bag, and that's to tell you how good it's gonna taste, because I can smell all the spices in there. Next we have some coconut drops. So these are Trinidad coconut drops. So wow, I can smell that. Okay guys, next we have sugar cake, and I see a good few pieces in here. So we get like 3 huge pieces of sugar cake. Wow, yum, excited about that. Next we have gulab jamun. Wow, these are also huge. Look how huge. It's super huge. So you get 3 massive or jumbo size gulab jamun. Last item in the box is currants roll. So let's open this up. You guys are hearing my son in the background.
Okay,
and who doesn't love a good Trini currants roll? Flaky goodness. Wow guys, here's a surprise. Underneath the currants roll we have coconut rolls. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of currants roll and 2 pieces of coconut roll. So wow, that is like, I can't believe how did they fit all of this in here. Wow, that's really good. So guys, let me just touch on the box. Remember, it's called the Sweet Sugar Dumpling Box. So I'm gonna go through their different types. They have this tasty TNT, which is Trinidad and Tobago's snacks, which is what you saw I unboxed here. Then they have, which is $30. This box costs $30, and remember, shipping is free. The next one is the Tasty Guyana, where you get 3 Solara, 3 pine tart, 3 cheese rolls, 3 coconut drops, 2 fudge, 3 Chinese cake, and 2 matai. And then they have the Sweet Caribbean box, which is 2 bags of caramel, 2 salve, 2 zumas, 5 chocolate digestives, 3 catch, 3 tiki, 2 Bigfoot, and 3 Nuggles. So that's like more of a snack box. So the next set of boxes are the doubles for your troubles boxes. So the first box, these are your options. The first box, you get 12 doubles with all of your filling and condiments for $30. The next box is 12 doubles, 3 boss up shots, 3 dal puri for $50. The next box is 12 doubles, 6 dal puri, or 12 doubles and 6 boss up shot for $50. And the last box is 12 doubles, 6 boss up shot, and 6 dal puri for $70. Now you can go on their website, all from number one. You're going to use a number one, don't spell out one. So you're going to use this website, allfromonesupplier.com, to find out more and to place your orders. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing for this sweet dumpling box. It's a sweet sugar dumpling box. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you make this purchase, comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to share this with all of your friends and all of your family throughout the US so they can order, because I'm sure they're missing all of these sweet goodies and treats from back home. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Go order some doubles and some snacks now, guys. Bye.